everyone. We are the Self-Studies.
I'm Janinia.
I'm Kim.
I'm Jaylee.
I am Yana.
I'm Bibi Jean.
Mutid mo ko.
I'm Ninyaming.
I'm Jenny.
And we are going to spelling oral. Pasunod sa ano?
Bising niya isunod ni Jean. Hindi pa yung tungkol.
Bibi Jean. Remove. Remove.
R-O.
Remove.
Remove.
R-E-M-O-V-E.
Sakto. Resign.
Chikotowo.
R-E-S-I-G-N.
Yes. Answer.
E-N-S-W-E-R.
Sakto.
Answering.
Sa country.
Arlo.
C-O-U-N.
Easy to.
Ayun. Ano matopiya?
A-R-Y.
Sakto.
Ano matopiya?
Printer.
Ha?
Printer.
Printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R.
Sakto.
P-R-R-R-P-B.
Pagkulbaan ni sininyo sa'yo, naramantanan.
Allah, pwede.
Then ano? Isa-isa na diya. F-R-I-E-N-T-L-Y.
Sakto. Sige. Kani kay medium na ni. Sudi-sud yung may.
Ulo.
Sunod
Sunod mo,
Oo.
Ay, ano, gusto
Para tanan maka-answer ba para
Medyo
Katulo balik.
yeah,
Para hard.
accept.
Sa'yo ba?
Sabot. Sige, accept.
A-C-C-E-P-T.
Kani si
Patay, hindi kasi.
Patay. Passive. Passive sa'yo naman.
Ako, tebe. P. Ano nga passive?
Passive.
Tebe.
Sakto to.
Uy, ako
P.
ko eh.
A. Or
Sakto.
A niya. S-S-I-V-E.
Sakto.
Gigitive na napunta to mo, no?
Positive.
Extracts.
Ha?
Extracts. Listen.
Sige, gawa ko.
Sige.
E-X-T-R-A-C-K.
안녕하세요 everyone. We are the Self-Studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
My name is Yara.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Lawrence. My name is Elma.
My name is Yana.
My name is Atena.
My name is Yoshni. My name is Jada. And we are going to spelling bee.
Number 1.
Play.
Mana?
Mana.
Number 2. Glass. Mana?
Mana.
Tanan pa. Number 3. Chair. Mana?
Mana.
Number 4. Table. Mana?
Mana.
Number 5. Home.
Home.
Oh, balay ba? Mana?
Mana.
Number 6. Spoon.
Basic is.
Mana?
Saan na ikututi?
10.
Tayo na kay.
Mana pa?
Mana.
Okay, number 7. Fork.
Ha?
Fork.
Cork.
Tenedor. Oh, fork. Pares na siya sa spoon. Mana?
Yeah.
Number 8. envelope. Envelope. Ano ba? Envelope ba? Mana? Number 9, stone. Bato ba? Bato. Stone. Katulahi na bato ba? Number rock. Number stone.
Grabe ka, Brian.
Mana? Number 10, ball pen. Inyong gikokpan.
Pen. Bali pen.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first. I'm Shane.
I'm Shani. I'm Ashley.
I'm Shaila. And we are going to math oral. Sino yung una? 36, 18, 77, 49, 76, 42, 66, 36, 33, 9, 54, 20, 93, 27, 96, 54, 988, 64.
Ganda, hirap na ko.
64,
54,
66,
36,
76,
32,
88,
64,
77,
49,
38,
54,
39, 4,
ano to? 39, 27,
7, 8,
56,
4, 5, 54, 56, 98, 72, 52, 10,
72,
46, huh? What to?
86,
48, 36,
77,
49,
86, 688,
oh, 688, 88, 64, 688, 45, ano sila balik guys,
sa ang video ko
97, 63, 88, 64, 74, 28, 89, 72, 66, 36, 48, 32, 43, 12, 98, 72, 63, 18, 87, 56, 48, 32, 88, 64, 68, 48, 49, 36, 38, 21, 88, 64, 99, 81, 79, 63, 77, 49, 89, 72, 75, 35, 85, 40, 94, 36. Oh, very good.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
I'm Angel.
I'm Jope
And we are going to study.
Oh, Jope tighong-hong. Ha?
We most commonly use measure of central tendency are
May time sa biday.
Ha?
Kita na, ABCD na puros.
Ina na magyamo ah. Awa.
Solution pa.
Tinawa B A.
Solution na. Asa ka na. Asa mo kuha na. Diyon sa man silang duha nga na kuha mo na. Nga na final four man na siya. Kanin duha kani. Diyon
Gi
sa
kuan, gi minus.
Wait. No, minus.
Gi-minus.
Nya. Asa man siya nagka-code 34 to 30.
Gi-plus ni tanan.
Lalu ngayon mo ka plus na. Asa mo ka nganong gi-plus nga.
Asa question na ni?
Kani question ida. Kani question. Mo na question. 17 12 7 ya to.
7 2. 2a plus
So kana siya kanang isa tawag na
n
solution kanang tawag na. Oh, solution n minus 1. Ya, 46 times d.
copy then ano sa mani?
Ano nga, awa na. Diyan siya. Kana siya gi-remove ang a. Bring down 2. Ya, copy 17. Ya, plus. Ya, bring down 7 minus 1. Ya, gibutan na diri kay kuan. Sa tawag na kanang times 5. Times 5. Mo siya gikuan, mo siya sa tawag na tawag niya times ni siya ando. Times ni kuan kani. Pag times ani gisapawon siya kani. O de,
Gi-minus.
kani sa bayan niya gi-minus sa 7 mo tan.
Hello everyone, I am a self-studying and I will going to introduce myself. My name is Arjun and I'm going to study. Sorry please. Once upon a time there was a little kid named Sharon. They live in a castle and her mom's name is Berkelina. And her father's name is Leonard. And sometimes they went out for hunting a prey. And the prayer. Okay na ako yung basahin. Heavenly Father, kabalo ko ano. She went outside. Ano niya basahin if my mind.
Hello everyone. I am Yena.
I am King.
And we are going to
Study the advanced
grammar in use. Karon ko na po.
The meeting was they had taken place before, but had was still attend 8 hours and the meeting was to have taken place in the
but had to be cancelled at the last minute. She was to have appeared with full pleasure as field, and was the trinity successful. But apart from her B, she was to have appeared with full pleasure in but the part went to the sister.
Unsa man?
Hobby ako.
Later in room, I was to meet her first. And was very impressed by his knowledge of Italian culture.
The 20 police officers who were to have gone after Tuesday. The 20 police officers went to the Christmas party had to remain in the station.
be?
It was to take 48 hours to get at the farm. And we were excited when we arrived. But we managed to do it in Kaning A.
Again. After the war, he was to teach at London University, but no money was.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 저는 유치살 종학교 2학년 기샤입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 15살 고등학교 1학년 노라입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 14살 초등학교 5학년 김기수입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 9살 초등학교 4학년 Fiorella-입니다.
And we are self-study group.
ikaw na day. 48
32,
77
49,
86
48,
67
42,
94
36,
66
36,
96
54,
83
24,
54
20,
79
63,
ikaw princess 5 53
15,
94
36,
73
21,
64
24,
78
56,
87
56,
89
72,
68
48,
76
32,
89
72,
93
27,
43
12,
Kafiola 93
21, 27,
74
28,
86
48,
64
24,
93
27,
33
9,
88
huh?
88
64,
63
18, 74, 28, Kisha na. 64,
24
98,
72
74,
28
87,
56
58,
40
49,
36
38,
Hindi ka naman.